Kings versus Senators, game 3, let's go. Is it mean to say that Travis Green looks like an owl? Because he does. Come on, 2-on-1.
He'll pick it up. He's got Robinson, middle lane drive.
Shot.
Drag, shoots.
Behind, still got it. Cuts inside, still got it. Cross shot.
Going across the score.
Goal! Let's go! I couldn't tell if it went in. Canes up. 1-0. Early. Oh my gosh. No. No. Oh my gosh. Come on. Cross. Wide open now. Let's go. 2-1. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out of there. Yes. Put the game away. Put the game away. And game. Canes win. 2-1 up 3-0. The sweep. I guarantee it.